Today we will continue our discussion about lesson 2, page 18. As we say, this lesson talks about how we could recycle and reuse things that we don't want anymore. We can do something new with it. Rather than just throw it in the rubbish, we can reuse it by creating something new with this old unwanted rubbish. Okay, so I will start with the first paragraph and ask some questions and answer these questions. First question: what are 3 things you can do with an old plastic bottle? Old plastic bottle, there's the 3 things we can do with it. You can throw it away, recycle it, or reuse it. So throw it away, recycle it, or reuse it. What do people create from old bottles? What do some people create from old bottles? They create very interesting things. They create houses out of them. They built house from plastic bottles, okay? Now we have the artist Alfredo Santa Cruz, okay? This artist built the ecological bottle house. So who built the ecological bottle house? Artist Alfredo Santa Cruz. From what did he build his house? From what? What did he use to build his house? He used plastic bottles. Okay, so what about the furniture? The furniture inside the house. It is made from what? The furniture is made from old plastic bottles too. So the house and the furniture are made from plastic bottles. Okay, we have another artist, Tito. Okay, Tito made his house from what? What did he use to build his house? He used glass bottles. How many years did he work on his house? He worked on it for over 20 years. How many glass bottles did Tito use to make his house? How many bottles did he use? More than 6 million glass bottles. He used more than 6 million glass bottles. So we have artist Alfredo Santa Cruz. He built the ecological bottle house from plastic bottles, and the furniture is also made from plastic bottles. Now Tito made his house from glass bottles. Okay, he worked on it for over than 20 years. He used more than 6 million glass bottles to build his house. Now the last paragraph here, we have Maria Ponce. This is Maria Ponce. Okay. When did Maria lose her house? When did Maria Ponce lose her house? In 2001. She lost her house in 2001. How did she lose her house? When a strong earthquake hit her house. Because of the earthquake, Maria Ponce lost her house. Okay. When did she finish her new house? So Maria decided to build a new house. When did she finish her new house? In 2004. So how many years it took her to build the new house? 4 years. From 2001 to 2005. This is her house, by the way. This is Maria Ponce house. Okay, the walls and roof are made from what? The walls and the roof are made from plastic bottles. Look at the walls and roof. They are made from plastic bottles. Okay, now what about the floor? The floor is made from what? The floor is made from bottle tops. Bottle tops, okay? So the walls and roof made from plastic bottles and the roof made from bottle tops. Okay, now let's do exercise number 3. We will answer the questions. Question number 1. What are 3 things you can do with an old water bottle? As we say, you can throw it away, reuse it, or recycle it. What's the ecological bottle house made of? The ecological bottle house made of plastic bottles, yes. How many glass bottles did engineer use to make his house? How many glass bottles? 6 million. What do artists from Argentina want to teach people? What do they want? Artists Alfredo Santa Cruz and Tito wants to teach people how about throw away. How much people throw away. Why did Maria Ponce build her home from bottles? Because she lost her home in an earthquake. Okay, now exercise number 4. We have to complete the sentences with one of these words. Please recycle the plastic bottles. The pictures came off the walls during the earthquake. So because of the earthquake, the picture came off the walls. A modern TV has got computer in it. The modern TV has got computer in it. Put the paper in the blue bin and the rubbish in the black bin. How can we reuse glass bottles? How can we reuse glass bottles? Please write the answers on your book.